Bartlett here with My Vision Agency, and today I'm going to show you how you can create an influencer campaign and actually send this to influencers so that they can easily register for your program so that they can start promoting your product. So in this scenario, we have a list of influencers. I'll show you how to find those. And we want to send them an email where they're just going to click a button, and then that's going to trigger a series of automations I'm going to show you how to build so that it will automatically register them based on just the clicking of the button. And then it will generate the access to your affiliate manager and send them the email so that they can get access. Okay, we want to set this up to make it as simple as possible. So let's go ahead and dive into today's training and get started building out this campaign. The first step to our affiliate offer is to create a simple page here. This is the page that they're going to go to when they click the button in the email. And you can see here that it's just a landing page. We have thank you for registering. I added a custom value here. Check your email for access to your affiliate dashboard. So if we go into the actual editor here, you'll see this is just text, and then we have the custom value here for the first name. If you want to use custom values inside the funnel builder, you can just hold the shift key down and then this little curly bracket, and then you'll see all of the list of the custom values. You would just go to contact and then choose first name if you want to replicate what I've done here. Okay, so this is the page that we are going to add to the button in the email that they're going to click that's going to automatically register them. I want to grab the link to this. So I'm just going to open up this page. And of course, we want to connect a domain to it, but I'm going to copy the link to that page. Now, the next step is we need to create a trigger link. So a trigger link is located in the Conversations tab. Go to Trigger Links. This is what we're going to create that's going to trigger an action when it's clicked. So I'm going to click here to add a trigger link, and we'll call this Affiliate Offer. And I'm going to paste the link to that page that we just created and save. Now that we have the trigger link, the next thing that we need to do is create an email template. And I want to back out of here because I want to make sure you know where to go. Go to marketing, go to email templates, and then this is where you're going to access the template. So I've created a blank template called Affiliate Offer. And all I've done here is just say promote our product. Here are the benefits. Click the button below to register. So we need a button in the email. You can say whatever you want. However, I will say, just to give you a little tip here, if you're sending influencers that have a large audience an email to register for the product, keep in mind that they get emails like this all the time. I probably get 5 to 10 emails asking me to promote their product on a daily basis. So if you are going to encourage them to promote your product, you need to tell them more than we think that you would be a great fit to promote our product to your audience, and here are the commissions, because that's so basic and we need more than that, right? I really encourage you to do some selling on your product. What are you offering them in addition to the normal commission base? Maybe you want to create a custom landing page for them. Maybe you want to give them a custom coupon in the affiliate manager, which you can set up to ensure that they get credit for the sale. There's lots of things that you can do. So I really encourage you to sell your product in this email. Now, once you've sold it and they decide to click here, they're going to click the button to register, but we need to actually put a URL. Now, if we just put that normal URL here, like if I just pasted that page link here, they would click the button and it would say, thank you for registering, but there would be nothing happening that is actually registering them. That's the purpose of a trigger link. So I want to remove this link here, and I want to click here in this little label, and I'm going to scroll down till you see trigger links, and I want to use the trigger link that we just created. That was the affiliate offer. So I'm adding that trigger link, or the code to that trigger link, here in the button. Now I want to save that. And now when I send the email campaign, I want to use this email that we just created. So inside of the automations here, you'll see that once the trigger link has been clicked inside of the email, that we're sending them that I just showed you the template of, then it's going to trigger this automation. So we're going to select our trigger link here, and we want to choose the exact trigger link, which is affiliate offer. So now when they receive that email that we're going to send them and they open it up and they decide to click the button, it's going to trigger this automation here. When that trigger link is clicked, we are now adding them to the affiliate campaign. Okay. And then here's the thing that you really need to be aware of in your automations. When you have built your affiliate campaign, if you don't have an email coming out and you want to do this in a customized way, you can say, hey there, contact first name, you now have access to our affiliate manager. And then you can add the magic link here to the client portal because that's where the affiliate manager is. Now you can access this magic link here by simply going up to the custom values. You want to go to client portal contact, and then you just click here, and then that adds that magic link there. So they don't need to log in here. It's just going to immediately log them in when they click this URL to the client portal, which houses the affiliate manager. Now, you don't need this step if you have built into your affiliate manager the ability to send the email. So if this is toggled on and you have your email template going out, this is going to automatically go out. So you can just remove this email here if you don't need that, because this is automatically going out. So we want to save, and of course we want to publish that. Now, the next step is to actually get affiliates to send your emails to. So if you go into our dashboard, if you're a reseller in our program and you go to the AI leads, you'll see that we do have access to the AI leads system. You want to click here and log into your account. You'll see that as a member, you do get 100 credits included in your account every single month. And we do have the option here to choose the influencer search. So you can choose the influencers you're looking for based on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. You can add a description here. You can choose between the number of followers, their age, the views, the engagement rate, the language, gender, last post in a number of days, contact details, followers and growth. You can even choose the operator is greater than or equal to this value here. You can choose verified or official artist. You can choose the audience here by their age, gender, and language. You can even search by the username if you're looking for someone specific, and the location here. So let's create a list. Let's say that we want to search for influencers regarding digital marketing. And we can say if they have more than 1,000 followers, and let's add them to a list, or we'll just create a new list and we'll say influencers digital marketing, and save and continue. And now you'll see we have a list of YouTube channels that we could use if they meet our criteria. We can also go to the list, and now we can actually contact these if we have their email address. And you can see here it says email not found. So we would need to find a way to get their email addresses. We would likely want to contact them on their channel here to actually get that email address. If you did want to contact them, you can use the AI to generate a direct message. You can also generate a summary here. And what's great about this summary is it will actually tell you, based on your information that you've trained it here about your business, how this influencer could work with you, how you could collaborate. This also will generate a subject line for the email and generate an intro to the email as well. Now, once you've selected all of your contacts and you want to send this data to your HighLevel account, you can just click here to send to the CRM. It will show up here in your contacts. You can select the bulk contacts here and you can send them to a workflow, which will also send them the email template that we just created. So we do need to create a separate workflow for this automation here. So to do that, let's go into the automation tab. Let's create a workflow. And the trigger here is either going to be a tag that we want to add, or we can just add them directly to the workflow. So if we want to use that option I just showed where we're going to select the contacts and then add them to a workflow, we don't need the trigger. But if you wanted to do that action, select the contacts and then add a tag, then you can add the tag here. Okay, it's totally up to you how you want to do that. If we add a tag here, we could say tag added, and then we can create one that says influencer sent. Now, if we want to add that tag to those contacts, influencer sent, it's going to trigger this automation. So the first step here is we want to choose email, and then we're going to select that template that we created for the affiliate offer. You can see it's pulled up our template here. So we would just save action, and of course, save, publish. So just to show you what that would look like if we wanted to add the tag here, let's go back to our contacts. We'll select all the contacts, and then you'll see instead of add to automation, we can actually add a tag here. So we would just want to choose the tag that we just created, add tags, and then that will be the trigger of the automation. Just to recap here, if we didn't add a tag and we wanted to add them to that workflow, we would just select this here and then choose the workflow from the drop-down menu here to add them to. I like the idea of adding a tag because you know that the people that have that tag have already been added to that campaign, so it helps you to organize those things a little bit better. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to join us in our community for open office hours as soon as this training is over. If you're a reseller in our program, you can go to the community tab here. You'll go to the events calendar. You want to click on today's date and you can join us in the open office hours. If you're in our free community, of course, you don't have access to the dashboard, but you could go still to the events calendar, click on today's date, and then you can join us as well. If you're not a member of our reseller program or our free community, you can go to myvisionagency.com. You can choose this option here to sign up for HighLevel, and as a bonus, I'm going to give you a free starter plan in our reseller program. If you're already a HighLevel customer, you can join our reseller program here. You can also sign up for our software bundle here if you're just interested in using all of our tools for your own business. This is not the reseller program. This is more for business owners who are just interested in saving a lot of money and having all of these great tools in one place. You can also sign up for our free community here. We do have open office hours and tools and courses and more, and you can book a private consultation with me. Thank you all so much for joining me today, and I will see you in open office hours. Go make your vision a reality. Bye. If you're considering signing up for HighLevel or you're already a HighLevel member, this is the video for you. I'm going to take you behind the scenes as a six-figure-a-year business that I've built on HighLevel without a team that allows me to work from home 4 hours a day, building the life, not just the business, that I always envisioned. Now, let's dive in. And when you first create your HighLevel account, it'll look very similar to this. The colors will be this like blackish gray color, and you'll have your HighLevel logo up here. And this that we're looking at right now is the admin dashboard. So this is going to be where you manage all of your sub accounts. So a sub account is what we're looking at here. These are two different business accounts. And if I wanted to go into that business account and I wanted to, manage it as the agency admin, I could click here to switch into the sub account. Now, the problem that everyone has is they all have this. They all have the exact same tools. They all look the same and they all function the same because it's all HighLevel. So you either need to provide something on top of your HighLevel account to differentiate your business from everyone else's, or you're going to race to the bottom on price. Okay. And that's certainly not what we want to do. So in my agency, of course, you'll see that I've rebranded it, and you'll see that I have all of the standard HighLevel tools in this account, except when it starts here, I start adding my own tabs here. Okay. So this is what's going to make my agency stand out. This is what helps me to provide additional services to my clients. So I've added a coaching program. I've created an onboarding course here, and I wanted to add that custom menu tab there so that it's really easy for them to know where to get started. Okay. So I've gone in detail in my training and all of that. And of course, this that we're looking at right now is actually the community or course builder inside of HighLevel. So if we wanted to, or my user wanted to bounce around here, maybe take a course, this is what all of that looks like once you've gotten it all built out. Okay, so you can see for my program, I have the start here, and then I have all of the different tutorials and everything, and it looks beautiful. Okay, you also have an affiliate management system inside of the client portal, which is what houses the community and the courses. And then you see what the community looks like as well once you have it all built out. So I've created this, and I've just been able to put a tab here inside the dashboard so that all of my users can access the community and know where to get started. Now, we also have a tab here for the AI ads leads. So this is another white label software that I've created, or that I've signed up for to provide for my agency clients. And you can see here, this is actually a really good software. You can just simply search for, in this example, marketing agencies in Indianapolis, and I can get all the contact information. I can even get the emails of everyone who works there. Interesting that this my agency pulled up here. But if I wanted to select all of these contacts here and I wanted to send them to my HighLevel account, or my users wanted to do that, they simply just select that and they can click here to send to the CRM, and then it goes right into the contacts. Okay, so we're creating solutions based off white label software that integrate with HighLevel and provide additional services. Now, the best part about software is that you do not have to spend time. Okay. This manages and runs itself. I'm providing incredible value for my clients or sub accounts, but I do not have to spend my time doing that. Okay. Now, the next thing that I also provide is an AI coach. This is another white label software. This is really, really great to help train the AI and create a brand profile. What's cool about this tool is that you can actually you just put in your website URL, and then it will help you create your avatar, your customer avatar. It'll tell you what their pain points are, and it stores this in your profile, and then you can create all of this content for your business, like email campaigns and all of that. And what's cool about this over something like Chat GPT is it will remember everything about your business to help you generate that content. All right. We also have the sales bot here. So the sales bot is an AI tool, again, that I've white labeled. This does integrate with HighLevel as well. And you can see the sales bot, the dashboard here. All of my members get access to their own dashboard where they can create unlimited AI bots. Now, HighLevel does have an AI bot. The difference is, though, this bot builder does not use AI credits, so it's unlimited. And HighLevel charges $97 for the unlimited. There is a pay per use plan, but having this bot builder allows my members the ability to resell unlimited bots, and it doesn't use any AI credits. So they're able to offer this as like a low barrier of entry, an entry level offer, and then, of course, upsell to the other tools. Now, also in our program, I do have another white label software that is the social autopilot. Now, what's cool about this tool is it allows you to create, again, you're training the AI for your business and with your brand colors and all that, and it allows you to create campaigns. It's going to pull in your brand colors and all that, and then customize the images and the website and all of that. And it's going to go ahead and publish to, like, if I agreed this was all good, then it would publish to all of my different channels. So it's not just creating the content, it's actually creating the post, and then will automatically post to all the different channels. So you can see that you can connect your accounts for Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and forgot all the other ones here. So we have Facebook, Google Business, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, X, and YouTube. Okay, so you can create that content to all of those different platforms. And this is inside of my dashboard as well. Now, you can also see that I've used another software that allows me to create 60 plus chat GPT prompts that my members can use to generate content. For example, we have a terms of service and a privacy policy. But you can see all of the things down here. But again, we just want to create these tools and resources for our members inside of our high level business. Okay. High level is a great foundation for a business, but it's not the entire business. Okay. And then, of course, I have a tab down here for our community. So I did have the get started that takes us right to the onboarding. That's just to make it a little bit more clear. But I always want our members to go to our community where they can receive support and all of that. I also, like I said, I do have the learning area here for all of my members to access the training. And then I also provide open office hours. You can see our events calendar in the community. So I am actually live Monday through Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all of our resellers have the ability in our program to join me, not only in my live, but immediately following the live. I open up a Zoom room so you can join me and all of our community. And, there's great conversations there. But what's awesome is we're all using different tools in different ways, and we're able to provide experience and support to all of the members. Okay. So I always say, I am a great resource, I hope, but our community is definitely just priceless. All right. Now, the next thing that I also added into my high level agency is the task manager. High level does have a task manager, but this is more formulated like Trello. So it's a little bit easier to manage and to view all of your tasks and assignments. Now, all of the tools are great, but we also need resources. We also need a system. And one of the things that I love about High Level is we have the ability to create a perfect system for our clients inside of our High Level program or your business, whatever you want to make it, an agency or whatever you want it to be. And what I love is we're able to create these websites or all of these digital assets like courses and funnels and blogs and forms and quizzes and all of these things. And we can actually copy the entire account and have it automatically loaded into a new user's account as soon as they sign up. So, as soon as Jane Doe signed up for this account, she automatically had in her account a course in the membership area. So you can see, and I do provide a course for all of our members because they have the ability to resell our AI manager here. So I definitely wanted to provide a course for them. So when their clients, sign up, they have a course that they can use that can be imported into the snapshot as well. And if you go into the sites area, you'll see there are 4 different funnels here. Close that out. There are 4 different funnels here, and of course, you can import all of these, but what I love about this system is if we go into edit, just wanna show you a little back end cool thing here. You actually have the ability to not just upload the system, but you can actually customize it instantly as well. So I'm gonna show you how. You'll see here that, this is a great template, and lots of us have signed up with programs that have templates, and we have to do a lot of customization. And we certainly don't want to have to spend our time as the agency doing it. And we don't want our customers to have to do that either. So you can add what's called custom values. If we scroll down here, you'll see that this button here, the color of the button is actually attached to a custom value. Okay. So if I click in here, you'll see this custom value. Now, you can build these custom values with not just colors, but with images, like I have the logo here. Now, if I go back, all of these websites or all these funnels have all the custom values and all of that. So when I go back into this account now, in my onboarding instructions, all I need to do is tell the users where to upload their assets. Okay, so I'm going to go to the custom values here. We're going to go to the folders, the MVA done for you system. And all they need to do to change that, change the logo and colors, is just add their own here. So let's just do a little test here. I'm going to update these colors with a different brand. So I'm going to say the primary color is this here. And we're going to change the secondary color. Let's go ahead and update that. And we'll change the secondary color here. And if I wanted to, of course, update the logo, I certainly could do that. But just to save time, I'm going to just show you about the colors here because you will definitely see the magic that happens and why High Level is so good with duplication. If I wanted to change the logos, all I'd have to do, you'll see here that it's attached to a custom value. I would just change the link. Okay. So let's go back now into the sites and you'll see where it was blue and it's still kind of showing blue there. If I open up the page now, it's going to be all different colors. So now you'll see that it is purple and orange, which are my brand colors. You'll also see here, if we go to let's go to this funnel here. You'll see it's not just this one, it's all of the different funnels. They've all been updated. So you'll see that this website has also been updated. And you'll also see that not just, like I said, not just the colors here, but these actual images, they're SVG images, and you can have them update with the custom values as well. Okay. So I hope your mind is blown with the level of duplication that you're able to do instantly by utilizing the high level snapshots. So if you see what's happening here, we've had high level, the skeleton or the foundation. We've added additional, a community, we've added coaching, we've added additional software here. And we've also added funnels and websites and all of that. And now the whole purpose of my entire program and the business that I've built is to help others do exactly what I have done. Okay. So that's why I'm providing this done for you system to all of our members and the licenses to rebrand and resell the AI Ads Manager, and also the ability to resell unlimited sales bots. And all of that is done inside of the high level agency, using it as the foundation of our business, not the entire business. Now, if you're ready to sign up for High Level, I'm going to give you a free My Vision Agency starter plan to help you get started. This includes our done for you system that you can load into your own High Level account, our live group coaching 5 days a week, the ability to resell your own brand of our AI Ads Manager, and unlimited sales bots, among many other resources. So choose the High Level plan that works best for you, and I will see you inside.